Welcome to the checkout guide. Discounts are supposed to increase sales, but in many Shopify stores, they quickly destroy profit instead. The problem usually starts with unlimited discount on expensive orders. So in this video, I'll show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it using Next Discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the store. Then here in product section, click on in product. Okay, now I add the quantity. Then click on add to cart. Then go to the cart icon. Okay, now the amount is $10,000. So suppose we're giving 10% as off, it will save $1,000 as discount value. So this is how Shopify discount slowly kills profit. So a simple percentage discount become a massive discount amount on high value order. So to fix this, we can use the Nest Discount app to add a discount cap. So that go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, click on next discount. Okay, now click on create new discount. Here give the code. Give flash term. Now okay. Now we can discount value as percentage. Give term percentage. Now the capping amount. This is the important section, that is the capping amount limits the maximum discount customer can receive even on very expensive orders. So that we give here, I give capping amount as 150, so it stops at 150. So discount apply for our product. Then here discount message is for automatic discount. No minimum purchase requirement. Eligibility for all customer. Maximum discount uses here I set to limit to 1 use per customer. Then here we can set the date, start date, set the end date. Click on it and set it. Now this product discount can be combined with here I choose all option. That's it. Now we can click on save. Okay, it has been saved. Now we can copy this code and go to the cart. Here let's apply this code and see how much it saves. Okay, here we can see it only saved $150. So even though it will saved $1,000, it only saved here 150 because we give the capping amount as 150. So it limits the discount value. So discount should help grow your Shopify store but not quickly reduce your profit. A single discount cap like this can make a huge difference during large sale happening. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.